Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So this is the official for sale video of this white, or I should say this Inverness green coupe. Somebody painted it white at one point, but as you can see, firewall is still the original color. The glass washer bottle right there that you see is intact. The motor does turn over really well, actually, very smooth. I will put that video in the end of this video so you guys can see it. Just gonna do a really quick walk around. I'm gonna try to keep it short. And I will put some videos, or I should say some still pictures in the end of the video. Yes, the chrome is worn off on the bumper, but there's no holes that I see. I do have a brand new, or not brand new, what am I saying? A better passenger fender for the car. The rust is pretty bad down there, but I have another fender for it that will go with the car. All the glass is good except for the one itty bitty crack at the end of my finger right there in the passenger rear window. The windshield is good, the back window is good, and all flat glass besides that little crack right there. So it needs rocker panels, which it has new rockers in the trunk, in the back. I'll pop the trunk here in a minute so you guys can see those. It is missing the skirts and the hubcaps. There's the back glass. The roof is beautiful. My phone number will be in the video, so serious inquiries only, please. But feel free to call or text. I prefer phone calls. A lot of scams going on these days, so I figure if you can't pick up the phone and make a phone call about a car you're interested in, you're not that interested. All right, I'll pop the trunk for you guys here in a second, and that's about it for this 59. Here is the inside of that trunk. Around the trunk rail is really nice and solid and good. Here are the new rockers, both sides. So those just need to be welded in. Got a little box of some spare parts there. Obviously the original spare tire and some spare brake parts. When the car gets transported, whoever buys it, there are no brakes. It rolls and steers just fine, but definitely no brakes. Doors and trunk shut really nice. No slamming required. All right, guys, let me know what you think. Good afternoon, everybody. So this is going to be a Will It Run video of the 1959 Inverness Green Coupe that I just got. Already turned it over by hand. Turns over really nice and smooth. And so we're just gonna see if it'll do anything, put that battery in it right now. So I'm gonna set you guys up on the tripod here and see what it sounds like or what it will do.
No. Not gonna do you any good, Seth. That's not gonna do you any good. There's no gas in the tank or nothing. Okay. You're not getting any spark. For whatever reason. Points are probably corroded shut.
Yep.
Coil might not be working.
bye.